Hey, welcome back to Diode Press. I'm Graham. Today, I'm going to be carving and making a print of a Kant Twist Clamp. This is a clamp primarily used by machinists, and will be the first print in a series of different machinist tools. So let's get into it. The first step for this print is to get the rough sketch of my artwork onto the block so I can carve it. I toned the block with white paint just to make it easier to see what I'm carving as I do it. I did the original sketch of the image on my iPad, and then I used my inkjet printer to print it out on a sheet of label paper, and I removed all the labels from that paper. So basically the ink is just sitting on the label paper ready to transfer. After aligning the paper onto the block, it's just a matter of rubbing the back of the paper to transfer over the image. I carved the majority of this block with my wood carving tools, but to get all the small dots, I used a drill bit in my Dremel to speed up the process. Now that the key block is carved, it's time to transfer this to the other blocks, one block per color. And I have a separate short video detailing this process if you want some more specifics. Now that the key block is printed onto the other blocks, it's just a matter of figuring out what I need to keep and what needs to be carved away. First up, I carved and printed the yellow block, which is just some of the small details. Next up, I mixed up green for the body of the clamp, and here's those two colors printed, ready for the final key block of black to be printed on top. Using my registration jig allows me to line up all the blocks and paper consistently each time, and now I can run it through the press. And here's the final print. Check out my shop if you want to pick up one of these prints. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. To keep up with the videos when they're posted, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to help support this channel, you can check out the Diode Press Patreon page, where I post behind the scenes photos as well as other patron rewards. Thanks!